So Michigan State University is a core innovation partner for the Institute for Advanced Composites Manufacturing Innovation, or IACMI. There are a number of core partners comprised of national labs and universities. The scale-up research facility we call SuRF, we're located in the heart of automotive R&D. So about 70% of automotive R&D happens in Michigan, and the largest concentration is in Detroit area. So it's a natural convening place. We're seeing a lot of interest that is being driven by electrification. To extend the range of electric vehicles, we need to lighten them up. So there are specific applications like battery enclosures that folks are looking at. Also, some of those same needs and motivations are appearing in other industries. This is the only facility of its kind in North America. If you look at the breadth and the scale of the equipment, we offer the ability to scale up that technology, make real prototypes that can find their way on a vehicle into a proving grounds for evaluation and certification.
I decided I wanted to be involved in manufacturing of automotive composite parts, and to get there I took certified composite training classes from the ACMA. The ACMA is the American Composite Manufacturing Association. You have to know the basic criteria for compression molding or injection molding a composite part, what's going to give you good properties, and how to troubleshoot defects.
People that are very well-rounded in composites are difficult to find. The strongest candidates that I've found are some of the kids that have done a lot of hands-on projects in school where they might design something, have to build it, machine it, and then actually drive it. So those have been great, students or people that I've always sought after to hire.
This is a SUV liftgate outer, and what it is a Class A part, which means that we're looking for a certain finish on the outside of it so that it can be painted and go right onto a car. And this was a big project, a very big part, and it has an inner also that's structural, so the outside is nice and pretty, the inside has all your mechanics. It took us maybe 80 parts before we started to get a good part when we started trying to do this.
So kind of where this industry is going is a very exciting time. We're pushing on things that industry maybe can't, but with us and bringing in the right partners, we can tackle.
This is fun. It's fun doing this because people want your input. They want to know what you think about making a better part, and you're not going to see that in some of the other fields that I was in.
One of the exciting things we see on the horizon is the urban air mobility market. And that's kind of a nice marriage between automotive and aerospace in a sense. We're seeing agencies like NASA and the Air Force really paying attention to this, and we think this is going to be an exploding opportunity for the workforce.
I think there's a lot of opportunities right now in composites, and what we need is people that understand how to make good parts and what's involved in getting the right mechanics in these parts to step into those roles that didn't exist before.